pretty easy for you to lack fulfillment in your life and for you to lose passion for your craft when you do the same old thing every single day, 24/7, 365, 7 days a week. Like when you're creative and you've got deadlines, you've got to find new clients and you're worrying, find out about, you know, the next few months financially, you've got to pay your bills and you don't really have that paycheck coming in, you don't have that sustainability, and all of these worries can start to build up and really, you know, crush your creativity. And after a while you lose that spark, you know, you lose that one thing that made you who you are today. You become a washed out black and white version of who you were, and you lose your colours, and ultimately you become a 9-to-5 worker drone. The only difference is that you're running around with a camera. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Jack Fernley. I'm a freelance videographer, photographer and video editor, helping you with videography, video editing and everything video production. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. So, creativity. Boy oh boy. Well, first of all, what have I been? Hi. It's been a bit of a crazy past few months, 4 months, 5 months, however long it's been. I'm back. I'm going to be uploading to my channel every single week, so don't worry about that. So let's jump straight into this. I think as a creative, no matter what kind of creative you are, I think this is a roadblock that all of us as creatives will come across, maybe multiple times, but I've definitely come across it recently. It's, you know, this roadblock of doing the same thing over and over and over again. If you're in video production, you know, you do the same thing over and over. You might be able to relate to this if you've had this. You just go to a shoot, you do the shoot, you edit it, and after a while it just gets repetitive. You know, you lose who you are. You know, it's just, oh, it's another shoot, let me just go and shoot it, edit it, send it to the client, get paid. And you know, this is something I've really been struggling with over the past couple of months. I've been doing a lot of videos over the summer. I got booked in Sunny Beach, Bulgaria, first ever international job, and it was a different pace to what I'm normally used to. And I was doing a lot of videos, you know, filming a lot of international artists, doing a lot of events. I was basically in the club every single day. I was making a ton of videos, and over the course of the past 3-4 months, I've lost my creativity. I know that sounds a bit weird, you know, maybe some of you haven't lost your creativity, you know, you're full steam ahead, but bookmark this, you'll need it in the future, trust me. And I just got to the point where I was just making, you know, I was just doing videos for the sake of doing them, you know. I had a deadline, I had a client to, you know, please, and I just had to make these videos, and I didn't really put as much effort into them that I normally would. I've gotten it back. I've got my creativity back. Way number 1, change up your video production. If you mainly do weddings, try nightlife, try shooting nightclubs. If you do nightclubs, try shoot video, you know, music videos. If you do music videos, try corporate. You know, there's a lot of different video production avenues out there, and you might not have tried them all, or you've tried them all and you said, oh, I don't like that. Give it a second chance and stick with it for a little while. When I first started, I was doing corporate, and I was like, it's corporate, you know, it's not really the most creative thing. You know, I'm not shooting video, you know, music videos. I'm not, you know, running around like a headless chicken, enjoying the night, you know, enjoying myself. But after a while, I started to enjoy it, you know. You don't get a lot of opportunities to pull out your suit or dress professionally. So, you know, changing it up can really help you out. Like personally, I changed it up. I've been doing a lot more music videos recently, and that's really helped me change the pace. You know, I do live events, and you know, most of the time I just do a little bit of pre-production. You know, just go to the event, shoot it, edit it, send it to the client. But with music videos, it's a different pace. You know, you've got to edit it, you've got to do some pre-production, whether that be storyboards, boards, you know, location scouting, all of this. And it's really helped me, you know, change it up and ultimately, you know, rediscover my creativity. And the second way, personally, that I've been able to do is doing more photography. You know, I've stopped with the motion, the high moving motions. I've taken a step back and I've really done a lot more photography, you know, stills. Like when I was in Sunny Beach, Bulgaria, I used to do a lot, well not a lot, I did quite a bit of nightclub photography, and I discovered a little passion of mine for romantic nightlife scenes. and I've got some of my favourite pictures from there. And you know, changing up doing photography, it's really slowing down on the videography. You know, helped me get my creativity back. And the third way that I personally did it as well is try a different shooting style. My run and gun go-to setup is my camera body, my Nikon Z6, with my 17 to 50mm lens on a gimbal. You know, that's my run and gun setup with my microphone and all that. But I've really been pushing myself recently. I've been doing a lot of handhelds, and handhelds forced me to get creative and try out different angles, and it's really brought out my creativity again. You know, I'm not just doing the mundane every day. You know, you've got to spice it up, you've got to make the change, you've got to try something new, and changing up my shooting style really, you know, helped me change for the better, and you know, get my creativity back. So if you're normally, you know, rocking drone, try put your drone down and actually get present and get in the moment. Put a camera in your hand rather than a controller. Yeah, that's just been my couple of ways that I've been able to get out the creative rut. So yeah, I've been wanting to keep this video short and sweet. You know, my first video back after 4 months. That's just been a couple of ways that I've personally been able to get out the creative rut. And yeah, I feel like this is something that a lot of people will experience, especially creative people. You know, I think a lot of people in general, you know, the midlife crisis and all that, but it's definitely something that a lot of creatives will face, and probably multiple times throughout the career. But I just wanted to hop on here, make this quick little video, tell you where I've been the past like 4 or 5 months. You know, what are the plans for the future. You know, I'm going to be uploading a lot more videos. You know, same thing every Saturday at 6 PM there'll be a new video up. I've got a lot of podcasts lined up, so you know, stay tuned. There's going to be delivering a lot of value to you guys. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on here, you know, kind of explain where I've been, kind of do a little bit of a talk video, and yeah, so yeah, that's what I've been doing. I've got a lot of work lined up. I've got a lot of podcasts, like I said, lined up. I've got quite a few video ideas lined up. That's going to be very beneficial to you guys. So if you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel, check out some of my other videos. If you're into videography, video editing and anything video production, this is the place to be. So without further ado guys, I'll see you on the next video.